Alright guys, welcome back to the vlog. This is episode 3 of the MK3 R32 Swap. So today I got some new tools to help me take the head off. So you're going to need some triple square bits. I believe it's an 8mm and a hell of a lot of torque to take them off because they're on there pretty tight. So I'll be taking the head off of the 24 valve, taking the cam sprockets off and be able to move the chain and hopefully separate it and get rid of it, you know, because it's taking up a lot of space in my garage. And then I can finally put the 3.2 on the engine stand and start taking things apart there, clean them up, and hopefully, you know, begin the real work. So once again, I just want to give John a huge thank you for coming over. You know, we were working on his car and he was helping me out take the head bolts off. You know, had a few beers because he says it's not exactly Dubs&Brews when I don't show the brews. So you'll get to see what we were drinking today. You know, I went with the Modern Times, their bright saison called Loma Land. Went with the old school Modelos, which you can never go wrong on a hot day. And I believe we didn't crack them open yet, but I had to get the pizza pork Swami's, always a crowd favorite. So hope you enjoy the video, and don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and if you can, share my channel, share my video. Greatly appreciate it. Thanks.